Welcome to Wheelz Connect. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of adding a vehicle to the platform. Once you're on the Wheelz Connect dashboard, go to the Vehicle tab and tap the plus icon to start adding a service. Enter the type of service you're offering. You can also write Auto Accept to let renter knows if you offer instant bookings. Additionally, you may include your company name if you like. Choose the service mode you are offering, such as self-drive rentals, chauffeur service, or guided tours. Set your daily rate, making sure it's competitive while keeping in mind that Wheelz Connect takes a commission fee as agreed in the sign-up form. Then, specify your minimum days, mileage limit, and the meetup or pickup location where renters can collect the vehicle. To attract more renters, write a detailed and compelling description that makes your service stand out. We recommend drafting it in a separate document first, then copying and pasting it into the description box. Next, fill in the following vehicle details: brand name, model, year model, vehicle type, interior color, exterior color, transmission type, manual or automatic, fuel type, number of doors, current mileage. But if the fields are not applicable to the service you're offering, simply write NA or 0. Upload at least 4 clear photos showing all sides of your vehicle. If possible, include images of the interior to give renters a complete view. If not applicable, just upload a brochure of your service. Once uploaded, tap Add. If you want to allow instant bookings, toggle the Instant Accept Booking feature. Remember, this means your service must be available on the dates you set. Select your availability dates for rentals. If you'd like to offer long-term rental discounts, tick the box and adjust the percentage using the slider. Once set, tap Confirm. Increase your earnings by adding accessories such as meal, entrance fees, and more. Simply enter the name, rate, and price, then tap the plus icon to add. Only if this applies to you, but you can skip this step if you wish. To delete, slide the add-on to the left. Once you've added everything, tap Next. You can define your own terms and conditions. If something is not mentioned in your personal terms, Wheelz Connect's default terms and conditions will apply in case of a dispute. Then select the driver's license restriction code to NA if it does not apply to your service offered. To complete your listing, upload or capture the following: certificate of registration, official receipt from the LTO, insurance policy certificate. Upload only the certificate page, not the entire policy. But if your service does involve any of this document, just upload any certificate and/or brochures. Once uploaded, tap Continue. Your service will now go through verification. You will receive an email notification once your listing is verified and is active in the marketplace. And that's it. You have successfully listed your service on Wheelz Connect. If you have any questions, feel free to message our support team. We're happy to help.